All right, so the next thing we are going to do again now is to add this 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 circle on our design. So how we are going to achieve it is to go back, and what we are going to search for is frame. So this is our frame already. We already have it here because we have searched for it before. This frame is under shape, so once you search on shape like this, you're going to see the frame. So this is shape, this is graphics, and this is frame. So you see all the frame, and then you select this particular frame, then you bring it like this, and you reduce the size to this, like this is okay. So you have to duplicate it like 3 or 4 times. No, just duplicate it like 3 times. 1 2, so it's now 3. So you bring this one here, and you bring this one here. So now you can now set how you want yours to be, but first you have to look at the design first. Okay, this is smaller, this is smaller, and this is bigger. So you have to reduce this to this level like this, and this to this level, I think so. So you drag it down, then drag this one like this. I think it's okay like that. So what are we going to do now? We are going to add the image of this one. So we'll come to our gallery, or yeah, we'll go to our gallery, and we add the shoe image, which is this. So this is it. So all we have to do now is to drag this shoe to this circle and leave it there. You can see that the shape of the circle is not showing. So all you have to do again is to double click on it. When you double click on it, you do that same thing. This is it. That same thing. Let it cover the whole space. Then once it's covered the whole space, you can now release it and press done. So this is it. You can see that's how they did theirs. Okay, let's make it smaller again. I think this is okay. Like this is okay, right? Okay, so we'll say done. So that is their own. So we add the next picture again, which is this one. So what's there? Okay, the trousers, the knicker, I mean. So you add the knicker, which is this. Then you drag it to the center. Good. Then you do that same thing, double click, and you expand this knicker to fit in the circle. You can see, right? Then you press done. So this is it. This is the shape of your circle. Then you add the other one to this remaining circle. Then you go to your gallery and get the cloths, and you add. So you drag this to this place, and also do the same thing. Make it bold. Let it cover the shape of this circle. Let it be like this. Like this is okay, I think so. And we'll click on done. So the next thing we are going to do now is to okay, this is on top, this image is on top this one. So what we are going to do now is to make this image, this particular one, be on top. So we'll come here, we'll see the positioning to be top front to the front. Okay, this is how it's going to be. And what again, look at the image. Okay, I think it's okay like that. So what we are going to do now, the next thing we are going to do now is to achieve this. If you look at this circle, it has like a white color that is, surrounding the circle. That's the white, was it called, stroke. Yeah, this circle, the white stroke. So how are we going to achieve this white stroke? We'll go back, we'll click on this circle. Once we click on it, we'll search for stroke. I think there's a stroke here. No. Okay, you search for style, I mean, sorry, search for style. When you get to this style, you click on it. Then this stroke width, you have to increase it like this. You can see it increasing, right? This is what a stroke means. So we are going to make it light, and once it's like this, we'll add the color to white. So we'll go back, then see stroke color, you click on stroke color and add it to white. So this is it. This is how you achieve your white stroke color. And we'll do same to other circle. You click on it, you go to your style, increase the weight like this, then you go to your color and you make it white. Good. Let's reduce the stroke weight. Okay, this is good. Then we'll come to this last image and we'll do the same thing. Style, increase the weight, then we'll go back and change the color to also white. So this is how you get the white circle, I mean the white stuff that is on the circle. So the next thing we're going to do now is to add this order now. So we'll go to our elements and we search on shape. When you search on shape, you're going to see this. Okay, let me search for it. So this is shape. You search for shape, you pick this circle. Once you pick the circle, you bring the circle close here, you reduce the circle size and you bring it like this and leave it here, and change the color of this circle to white. So I mean to this color red, or this is okay. So this is it, you can see. Then you can now write your order now. So the text, so let's write our order now. This is, let it be on capital letters, order. Now, good. So we'll drag it to the center of this, and I'll reduce the size because my own circle is small. So anyhow you want to do yours, so you do it. So this is it, and I'll change the color to white. Yeah, color to white. So this is it, this is how it is. So let me bring it. Okay, so let me use my nudge to arrange it very well. Good. So this is it. So what next? We'll have to go back. The next thing we are going to do now is to, okay, get this particular, you can see this stuff at the edge of this place here, this particular thing here. So what we need to do now is to go back to our design and we'll go to our gallery and we'll find, this is it. You click on it and you add to page. It has appeared. So all you have to do now is to take it there, but first you have to, sorry, let's undo it. Once you make a mistake, what you have to do is to click here and it will go back, undo. So let's drag it here. This is what I want to do. When you drag it here, you have to reduce the size first. After reducing it, then you drag it back to this position. That is where it is. You have to reduce the size again, then you leave it there. I think, let's see it again. Okay, it's okay there. Use our notch again. Okay, it's good there. So the next thing you're going to do now is to add this blue background with our services. So how are we going to do that? We'll go back, we'll go to our elements, then all these things are under shape. So that's what you're going to search for, shape, and you click on see all. Then you click on this particular shape, then you bring it down here, you make it long, you just arrange it very well, make it short again, Okay, make it short, like, okay, like this. Is it good? Okay, just make it to come short like this. Then like this is okay. The more you're increasing it is the more it's enlarging. I think like this is okay. Let's look at it. Okay, then you drag it to this place, you drag it here, then make it short again, bring it like this is okay. Okay, this is okay. So let's change the color of this first to blue, right? So this or this. Okay, let's leave it to this one. Okay, so we bring it down here. Okay, this is okay. So use our nudge to shift it, bring it down a little bit, then go to corners. Corners is here, then reduce the corners to be like this. All right, so the next thing we are going to do now is to add our text, which is our services. But before that, what we are going to do now is to make sure this is long enough. Okay, I think this is good. So just add your services, come to our text and add. Instead of us doing that, I will just go back and duplicate this text and drag it down to this place, and I'll edit it and write our service, which is this. Then let's see. Okay, small letters. Then we edit it back, remove this in capital, and this is it. Services, right? So all we have to do is to reduce its size and bring it to the middle, increase it again. I think this is okay. So let's look at it again. Okay, I think the color is more darker, so let's make it to be dark a little bit. No, this is not it. Let's go to, I think this is okay. Okay, let's reduce the color to make it a little bit more darker. Okay, this is okay, good. So we'll come back here, and the next thing we are going to do now is, okay, let's increase the text of this. Okay, let's reduce it to this. These are our services, and the next thing you're going to do now, okay, let's change the font to Montserrat, right? Because that's our, yeah. Then change the thickness to medium right here, so it's good like this. Then we'll come back. So the next thing we are going to do now is to write this wear for male and female and all this stuff. So what we are going to do now is to duplicate this again. Then when you duplicate it, you just have to bring it down and edit it. So you have to clean everything and write wear for what, for, let's check again, wear for male and female, senator wear. Okay, wear for male and, okay, let's use this arbitration sign, and female. Good. Then we'll go down again, write senator wear, senator wear. So we'll go down again. What do we write? duvet. Okay, come down again. We'll write our duvet. We'll come down again. What next? Boxer 90. Okay, we'll come down. We'll edit again. Boxer. That is boxer. We'll come down again. Boxer. Then 90. And footwears, right? Footwears. So let's check if it's footwears and more. Okay, footwears and more. Stop. So what we are going to do now, we have finished. So you're going to align this text, everything to the left. So let's take it to the left by clicking on this format. And when you click on this format, you take it to the left, and this is how it's going to be. So you reduce the size of this, bring it here, reduce it again, just to make sure that it fits inside here. So this and this, we'll take this a little bit up. Let's take it up a little bit with this, and we'll take the services up too, because to make it look neat. Okay, this is good. I want to decrease the size again. Okay, this is good. Our services. Then so you have to increase it to make sure you get your perfect size. So good, I think this is it. So what I have to do now is to add this dots behind each text. So what I'm going to do now is, when you click on this, you go to your format, which is this. Click there and you see it here. Look at it, look at the dot. So once you click on it, it's going to appear. So that's how you get yours. So this is the design. So then what's remaining is this contact us and the number. So how you're going to achieve that is, you will get this background, you duplicate it, you drag it down. You drag it down. Okay, let's bring it here. You drag it down to this particular spot, reduce it again. Okay, let's increase it. So let's increase the background to this. I think this is okay. Then let's use our nudge to bring it up like this.